Hello, this is the third part, and we'll now continue with a discussion of approach number 4. This approach number 4 is the base stock. It is similar to FIFO, and therefore we are not going to discuss anymore the computation. Let's now go to number 5. The number 5 is a simple average method. In this method, average price is calculated every time when a new lot is received at a new price by using simple average method. So for example, if we had previous average price of 500 and a new lot price at 550, so the new simple average will be 525. So every time there are incoming stocks. So let us take a look. So we call it running simple average, and this is, pay attention that we are trying to come out now with an effective price. For this approach, we are done with FIFO, LIFO, HIFO. Now we are talking about these three approaches, and the end effort is to come out with an effective price and just multiply it with the remaining quantity here as a single number. So now we go to the running simple average. As you can see, this is the running price. If you look on the first purchase order, the price is what? The price is just 5. But if you go here, look at the second price, it is the this, you try to take the average of this, and then it comes out here. And this one, this, the average of that one here. So you see it's growing. So you're considering long at the point where you would like to take the quantity or the value, you use a running simple average. Use that as the effective average. Then just multiply it by the remaining quantity. And so you now have the value of the remaining quantity. Let's now go to the weighted average. The weighted average in this method, the average value, is computed by considering the total quantities and the total costs by using a weighted average. So for example, if there are 100 units and the stock price is 200, so you multiply them together. And then this one, 200 and 250, you multiply them together. And this is the quantity. So you add them. So this is the weighted average, 233.33. Let's take a look at an example. Weighted average is this. So the weighted average is, you are aware of this now. This is the quantity, and these are the quantity, and these are the unit prices. And so you multiply the two together, 505 by 200, so you get 1,000. So here you have here 6 times 300, 5 times 100, and so on and so forth. So you just add them together and make a total. So I refer to it as a total extension, 9,900. So that's the one on top. And the one at the bottom of the denominator and numerator. This is the numerator. Denominator is 1,800. So you see here, the value is I8, which is the denominator, and divided by the denominator, which is 1800 D8. Let me just show that one again one more time. Here, this 55 is what? That's it. All right, 9,900 divided by 1,800, and given now the amount of quantity that is left, all you have to do is to multiply the two together. 5.5 times 1,000. So the total extended value is 5,500. This is the value of the remaining quantity in the warehouse of the 1,000 units. Finally, we have the last one. In this method, the average value is computed by considering the total quantities and the total cost by the not weighted, but the simple average. In this method, the average is worked out at periodic intervals by dividing the total price of the materials obtained during that period. Look at this. In this method, the average price, so you are looking for a single price at the periodic intervals by dividing the total price of materials obtained during that period. So let us look. In this particular case, we have the period simple average. All right, so the average price is just the total divided by the quantity, the count, and for a fixed period. So maybe this should be a simple average price for a every quarter. So for that quarter, the effective price is 5.33. Multiply that by the quantity, and so you come out with this. You see the approach of this happened. All right, so the running simple average is from the beginning of the experiment, or from the beginning of the observation continuously, whereas this is you specify a certain period, maybe from this is the first quarter, and then you can come out with the second quarter average price, because it is on a per period basis. Okay, so these are the examples which you can practice on. And here is another method to. Oh, this is the cycle count form in inventory verification methods. So there are names here on who will do it and who is responsible for this person. It's just a matter of monitoring whether the inventory count is done or not. This is not important for us, this particular form. And yeah, you can practice with this. And that's it. Thank you for listening.